don't look that sweaty, but I swear I'm sweating. I hate everything. She's going. She's going. Hi guys, so me and Julia are here in our beautiful downtown area and we're home for winter break from college. So we are going to do a vlog where we go thrifting because we have good thrift stores around here. We're gonna see what's up. We both look like pieces of shit. Yeah.
I'm really sweaty still.
Yeah, we went to the gym, some cardio, did some weightlifting to get those guns, and now we're here.
Game season.
Cuffing season, bro. I put my banana in there on accident, so that's fine. Thank you. We are headed to Buffalo because if you didn't know, there was a fire recently. I'm pretty sure I talked about this on my channel.
Fire?
Yep.
Hashtag California history.
Hashtag Vintage Wrong. Julia just told me that the clothes of Buffalo Exchange all got burnt down. Or, I mean, not burnt down, but they had smoke damage to them, so they had to get rid of them. And they got clothes sent from other places. So we're going to go see what they have. Apparently they got a shipment from New York, so that's cool. Thank you. This is Zara. Ooh. This is kind of cute. $12. Medium. Personally wouldn't wear it, but ooh, 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 ooh. It's so soft. Oh my god. Yeah, this is so sparkly.
I love me some sparkles. We could get matching ones.
Oh my god. Wait, are they shirts?
I don't know.
I mean, oh my god, it's just so sparkly. There's so much good stuff at Buffalo today. Like, this is so cute. I don't like these though, these sleeves. It's like an alien space bodysuit, but it's $20 and I can't do that to myself. Why does Buffalo have to have things for 20 bucks? Oh, this is kind of cute. This is a cool graphic. I like it. It looks like a mom shirt. It's like this super thick material. $20. It's super cute. It's an open back. Ooh, a pretty basic crop top. How much are you gonna be? Ooh, it's a Forever 21 shirt. $4.50. Picking it up. Yes, yes. Don't fucking touch me. It's from American Apparel, actually. This is something I would wear, but it's an extra large, which is not currently my size. Playboy? What? I have like several shirts in my hand that are just, oh my god. I'm really tempted.
Oh, it's got stars on it.
Yeah, it has little stars, and it's like, I'm gonna try it on. You know, why not? I need something to try it on with. Oh my god. I have to like reconsider my entire life.
I hate consumerism.
Hey y'all. Girl power. I could get it. I'm not sure. This is a Forever 21 shirt that they're selling here for like $5, and it's my size. It like ruches right here in the front, and I don't know, it's super cute. I think I'm gonna get this one. I'm wearing this Nike sports bra, which is pretty tight, but it's like holding the girls in there, which is $13.50 here. It has like a stain right there, but it's not a big deal because it's a sports bra. Hello.
She's starring.
I think I'm gonna get this. I don't know if I'm gonna get the sports bra, but this is too cute to pass down, and it's like thick. Feeling it, so.
I'm feeling it.
What did you buy? Ooh! Oh yeah, you showed that earlier, I think. All done. It's empty. I'm sad. So we're done at Buffalo Exchange. Now we're going down to the
some real thrifting.
The real thrift store. We're gonna go to the child abuse thrift store first, though, because it's my fave.
$50 under 50% off. What do you think that stands for? Your what are they called when they're like attention grabbing like titles? Clickbait. Your clickbait can be like, I get naked in the thrift store.
Okay, these ones are more worn in. Oh, I think these are bigger.
Oh. It's happening. It happened. They look good if you like cuffed them.
Yeah, I will.
Just wearing no shoes in the thrift store. Exposed.
This is a yes. I only don't have black dad jeans, so now I do, and I feel like my life's complete. Like, this is the one thing I was missing. And they're half off, so instead of $8.95 for Levi's, I'm buying them for
$4.
Yeah. Look like a skater boy. Question. Is it weird to buy a pillowcase from the thrift store? Like, this thing is literally 10 cents.
See if it's weird or not.
Oh, look at this little pot. I can water all my cute little... Oh, nope, there's no holes. You can't water your plants. Fun fact, this video is sponsored by Hulu Plus. Does anyone know the square root of 289? Comment it down below. I can't do math right now.
Enjoy.
Team Hulu. I'm still sponsored.
Galvin from State Farm.
Like a good neighbor, Galvin is there. Oh, we're in Coalition now. I don't know if they're having a sale. I heard someone whisper something. It might just be Christmassy things. They have pins here, which I'm definitely gonna go look at. You know, Santa's just eating his banana. Anything specific you're looking for today, Julia?
Funky jackets.
Funky jackets it is. I'm basically done, I think, with thrifting. Like, I'm just kind of chilling, looking around. I'm gonna look for some funky jackets and some like novelty goods. I'm also gonna look in the little girls section for like cropped thingies, I guess. Ooh, they have a good lot of skirts. I'm gonna check some of these skirts out. These are all skirts. Damn, and shorts, but we're gonna check them out. They're like baby pink and they're a size 6, and high-key they're kind of cute, but they're not my size. There are so many Crocs here. Oh my god. These are like the Crocs flats with the drawers. Oh my god. I'm sitting on the floor waiting for Julia to go find camo pants because I got a lot today. I'm really tired. But we're too hungry.
Yeah, I'm too hungry to do anything right now.
So much is in my hands currently. We're going back to my car to put all our bags in there because there's so much stuff. And then we're gonna go to Nature's Grill and eat some good food. Julia's in the bathroom, but we got like the exact same thing. Veggie burrito. It's super good. Yep.
I don't want to get hit by a car.
This is Goodwill. We're not going in there because Goodwill's annoying.
Probably a sweater.
Diversity! So first from Buffalo Exchange, I got this red mesh shirt with there's silver stars all over it, and it's just super cute and on trend right now, and I love stars if you know me. And then for $5 I got this like shirt from Buffalo, which is originally from Forever 21, and it like ruches in the center. It's really cute. Everything 50 and below at the Kansas thrift store was 50% off, so I got men's jeans for $8.95. It was half off, so $4.50. They're Levi's style, $5.50 if you're wondering, from the men's section. I got this yellow pillowcase, which is kind of controversial, I know, to buy a pillowcase from the thrift store. I think it will be fine once I wash it. 21 people voted yes, it is socially acceptable to buy a pillowcase, and 31 people currently have voted no, that it is not socially acceptable. So, it depends on your perspective, I guess. I'm gonna wash it and it will be fine. I'm really excited for this because it could go two ways, because it's from the Land's End men's tall section, I think. And it's yellow, which is perfect. And it was $1.95 originally. I got it for $1, and I'm excited to see how this turns out. Only other thing I got from the thrift stores were a bunch of magazines. There's a thrift store called the Coalition, and they had a bunch of magazines there, and I love to collage, but I don't have any magazines that I can rip up right now, so this was perfect. And then we made a stop at Forever 21 because Julia had a gift card there, so I'm just gonna show you guys what I got there. I got this super cute top, the crossover. It's kind of difficult to see, but it crosses over in the front, and then it has bell sleeves, and I just saw it and thought it was so cute, and like it cinches on the bottom. It was buy one get one free on all of their markdown like clearance items. So that top was $7 and it was the most expensive thing, so I paid for that. So I got this cute little bralette. It's like a beige pink color and it has little gold sparkles on it. I got this bralette, which is like really soft here. The straps have velvet on them and then the bottom has lace. I don't know, it's just adorable. And then there's just this like basic black bra, which is just like super soft as well. And then it has the mesh. Yeah, that's what I got today. Thank you so much if you stuck around till the very end to see what I got. And I'm sorry this isn't a try on. I'm really lazy and I just wanted to have a cute little thrift with me video. I'm sure you will see some of these pieces on my Instagram. Also, let me know if you want more thrift with me vlogs because I love watching them. So there's something I would definitely be interested in making. So let me know in the comments down below. Bye!